Laguna. Hi, good day. I'm Micah Austria from Barangay Santa Catalina. I am 15 years old, turning 16 on August 8th. I'm studying here at LC. I am 4D positive. My hobbies are texting, watching television, chatting with my friends, and studying. My dream is to finish my studies so that I can look for a good work. I don't know what course here I get, but I want midwifery first so that I can have a good work and so that I can help my family. And I'm not so good in subject economics, but I will try to do my best to have and get a high grade. I'm not expecting super high grades, but I try to maintain my pass grade. And that's all. Thank you. Hi, I'm Angeline Enriquez from Maglalang Subdivision. I'm 15 years old, turning 16 on March 1. I'm studying at Laguna College. I'm in fourth year positron. My hobbies are texting, chatting with my friends, and hang out with them. Someday, someday I want to be stewardess. I like to study at Lyceum or La Salle pa and take tourism. My expected grade in economics are 80 and above. That's all. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Shine Tony and I'm 14 years old. I live in Calauan, Laguna, and I'm fourth year student in Laguna College. I'm strong and determined. I'm lively and energetic, with a witty sense of humor. A very adaptive girl, they say. I used to hang out with my wonderful and caring friends. I have a colorful personality. I shriek, gossip, and joke. I love anything branded. I am a little girl at heart. I am kind even though you were so plastic with me. I'm actually shy at very large crowds, but being shy is unique. I love exploring things on my own. I have a strong fighting spirit. Music is what I call life. I am a certified music lover. I love R&B music, even though my friends told me that I am bubbly. I am quite reserved in the presence of strangers. My dream is to be a successful chef someday because I like to cook food. This is my life. That's all. Have a nice day.
Go. Ito lang. Okay. I'm Alexis Enriquez, 15 years of age. I'm fourth year high school in Laguna College. I love to play a basketball and computer. I want to study in the Trans on college. I'm not expecting high grades in economics, but I want to maintain my grades.
I want to be
Na, want to a computer engineer someday. Thank you.